In this video, we will walk through conducting a search in SRDS. Begin on the library's homepage, libraries.olemiss.edu. Once on the homepage, scroll past the image until you see the Search UM Libraries search box. Across the bottom, you'll see the option for databases. Once in the database A through Z, select S. Now scroll down and find SRDS in the list. Once on the SRDS homepage, you'll see various options. You can search for print, digital, TV, or audio media. If you're not sure what type of media you're interested in, you can simply conduct a search in the search bar. In this case, I'm going to search for the Memphis Business Journal. Since I didn't select a specific type of media to search within, I should see all the available media options for my search. The first result is the Memphis Business Journal, and I can see that it's a business publication. The second result is also the Memphis Business Journal, but I can see that it's a website. Let's select the business publication. Now that we're in the Memphis Business Journal, the business publication version, you can see general information about the journal and their different website links. We can expand each section to find contacts and rep information. If we expand the circulation section, we can see that information. Keep in mind that the information in these sections will vary depending on the publication and media type. Under Rates and Policies, we can see that information, and finally under Issue and Specs. Now let's go back to our results list and click the Memphis Business Journal website. Some of this information will be similar. General information, it tells us about the Memphis Business Journal. Again, we can see those websites. We do get a list for contacts. And now what's different is the audience metrics option. This provides us information on the people who are visiting the Memphis Business Journal's website. Total page views, visits, pages per visit, the average duration. Once again, keep in mind that different publications and media will provide different levels of information in each section. Now let's go back to the SRDS homepage. If we look to the right, you'll see resources. Here you can see DMA profiles, maps, calculators, and projected TV and radio rates. Let's click on DMA profiles. Here we'll see a list of different areas. Let's click on Atlanta. When I click on the profile, it will open a PDF. Here you can see the local market profile for Atlanta, and if we scroll through the table of contents, so county level insights, census data, rank, consumer profiles. DMA profiles are a good way to quickly come up to speed on an area that you might be interested in advertising. Go back to the home page, back under Resources, you will also get the DMA maps. I click on a map, once again Atlanta. It'll open up in a PDF, and now I actually get a map of the different DMA areas within the Atlanta DMA. Finally, the last I'll show you are the projected rates. If I select projected rates for TV, once again I can select an area, and then I will see the day part rates for that particular area. This has been a brief overview of conducting a search in SRDS.